Hi everyone, so this will talk about inferred typing, how it actually works in TypeScript. Inferred typing is basically determination of type depending upon the first assignment to a variable. We'll see an example of it which will give you a clear picture how it actually works. Let's create a variable first. So let's make it my string. And from the previous video you know very well, if I want to make it string, I have to put string here. So it will be beta. Now let's create another variable, make it number, put it 50. So here we are specifying string, here we are specifying number. So we know very well it will only take string, it will only take number. But if I'll just simply remove this, just remove this thing also, then behind the scene TypeScript will infer the type of this my string as string and for this my number as number. Because we are assigning 50 here, which is a number, we are assigning beta here, which is a string. And we can verify this thing using type of keyword. Put my string, just copy and paste. This will give you the type of the variable. So in this case we'll get string as return, and this case we'll get number as return. And you can see we are not specifying the type here, we are simply making the assignment. Save it, you can see string and number. Since here TypeScript is inferring type of this my string as string and type of this number as number, you can't do like this. This is not acceptable because one is number and one is string, and you can see we are getting error here also. Okay, and there's one more scenario. Suppose in this case I will just delete this thing, delete this thing also, just delete this part. So there's no assignment. Now just save it and you will get undefined because type is not defined yet, it is by default undefined. Now if I'll make it beta and here my number, then it will be a string type, this will be number type. And you can see we are not doing assignment at this stage, we are doing it later. Now simply save it, go to browser, and you will get string and number. Now let's see how you can specify type for the object properties. Just delete this and create a variable let emp. So I want it to be an object where there will be a property name, and I want it to be string. Then there will be another property that will be age, and I want it to be number. Then there will be property senior, and I want it to be boolean. Okay, now let's do the assignment here. So let's make name marks, make the age 50, and let's make senior true. Simply console log this, save it, and you'll get this output. If I'll just make it string, you can see we are getting error here. Also in the terminal window you will see that error. See, string is not assignable to type number. So this is how you can specify the type of properties. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.